What did you do?
Honked the horn.
Did Daddy tell you off?
Yeah.
Honked the horn. So she did it by herself?
Yeah.
Yeah, I honked it really hard.
Yeah. She did it on purpose. Like, she didn't just do it by accident.
It was an accident.
No, it wasn't. You did it on purpose.
Yeah.
That's why I told you off. So I told you not like to honk the horn. It's rude.
But I said sorry.
Did you say sorry? To who?
Daddy.
To Daddy?
Yeah.
Did Daddy say you're forgiven? Good morning, baby. Good morning. Happy Thursday, everyone. Happy Thursday. It's not early in the morning anymore. Mga tita and tito, let's open the blinds. Okay, it looks sunny outside. As you can see, Ate Paris and Daddy is outside now. Yan, we're dropping Ate Paris to school. And hindi na siya makapaghintay. Nak, oh, shush, too bright, malay, nak. Too bright on your face. Jesus, I can't see you na noon. Mama, oy. Oh, kay klaro, ma. Kay klaro, ma. Say hi. Good job. Okay, let's get the camera. Say welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our channel. There you go. There you go. Kakagising lang niya. Kakagising na ng ating baby girl and we are going now kasi naghihintay na ang ating Daddy Mike at si Ate Paris. Sa sasakyan, we're going to drop Ate Paris to school. Huh? We're going to drop Ate Paris. Do you want to go to school too? Habu. Habu. Do you want to go to school as well? With Ate Paris? You can go. You can go if you like. And, oh, we won't forget this one. Dalhin ko yung pacifier, guys. Nilagay ko ito. Kasi pacifier is life. Allah. It's very helpful talaga yung pacifier, guys. Hindi ko na realize yung kanyang gamit before dumating ang ating baby girl. Alright, see ya. We'll see you later, tita and tito.
A few moments later.
Off when you honked it?
What did you do, Paris?
I turned on the sunroof.
You opened the sunroof?
Yeah.
What else did you do? Did you turn the car on?
Yeah.
And what else did you do?
I heard the beep beep. Did you do that too?
Yeah.
What did you do?
I honked the horn.
Did Daddy tell you off?
You honked the horn. So she did it by herself?
Yeah.
Yeah, I honked it really hard.
Yeah. She did it on purpose. Like, she didn't just do it by accident.
It was an accident.
No, it wasn't. You did it on purpose.
Yeah.
That's why I told you off. So I told you not like to honk the horn. It's rude.
But I said sorry.
Did you say sorry? To who?
Daddy.
To Daddy?
Yeah.
Did Daddy say you're forgiven?
Of course.
Oh. Go na, tingnan niyo ang ating baby girl. Alis na tayo before yun siya iyak. Say, see you later, tita, tito.
Little tita and tito.
I'm going to school.
I'm going to school.
Alright, you have a good day, okay? Love you. At ang ating isang baby girl dito ay narinig ko na nakapupo na. Check. Start na yun siya payak-iyak pa. Uncomfortable yung kanyang lubot. Shh, shh, shh. Hello, honey. Can you see mommy? Shh. Okay, we're going now. Ay, we're going. We're going.
A few moments later.
Hello, tita and tito. Tita and tito. Nakauwi na kami. So, dinrap namin ang ating Ate Paris sa school. And, nabihisan ko na siya. Ayan, oh. Nabihisa na kasi nakaudo siya sa sasakyan. Plano ko sana punta ng Filipino shop. Kasi gusto kong magbili ng mga Filipino food ba. Tapos ito siya nakaudo man. Hindi ko pwedeng dalhin sa Filipino shop tapos balik kasi it will be uncomfortable for her at for sure iiyak na siya. Kaya inuwi ko na lang siya agad-agad. Binihisan. And then now we are going for a walk. We going for a walk? So it's the next day pala after my vaccination. So medyo masakit pa rin yun kung saan tinurok yung vaccine. Obviously kasi dahil sa diba? Dahil sa needle. Kaya ganon. And then side effect wise guys, yesterday nakita nyo naman na okay ako after ng vaccination, diba? So 15 minutes naghintay ako sa labas ng clinic just to make sure na wala siyang allergic reactions, yung mga ganun. So I was fine, I drove home and all. Tapos yung ginawa namin kahapon, naglakad-lakad and all. So pagka-uwi namin kagabi, mga around 8 o'clock, I don't know guys, siguro I don't think it's the side effect from the vaccine, no? Pero sabi ko nga kay Daddy Mike na parang naging disoriented ako kagabi. And I'm not sure. Tinanong ko nga kay Daddy Mike kung nagluluto ba siya sa sa kusina. You cannot, bless you. Tinanong ko nga kay Daddy Mike kung ginamit ba niya yung oven. Kasi yung oven namin, diba, umuusok siya kapag ginagamit. For some reason, kailangan namin linisin yan. Or may sira nga lang, I'm not sure. Pero, kasi yung mata ko parang kanang sore ba, hapdos. And then, tapos, na-feel ko na parang umiikot yung mundo. Umiikot nga naman yung mundo, diba? Yung parang dizzy lang ng ganun, konti. Tapos, yung parang, iwan ko, parang anytime matutumba ako, ganun yung feeling ko. So, sabi ni Daddy Mike, pina-shower niya ako, guys. So, nag-shower ako kami ni Baby Paris. And then, nag-bed kami straight away. I'm not sure if part din yun siya ng Ewan ko kung guni-guni ko lang kasi I'm thinking too much or yun talaga yung naramdaman ko. But I felt like parang sumikip din yung chest ko for a little bit. Kaya natulog ako, guys, kasi para, alam niyo yun, para makapahinga din ako. Kasi I was thinking maybe, kasi nga diba, wala tayong magandang tulog for a while now. So, wala tayong magandang tulog. So, maybe siguro, lack of sleep, ganun yung naramdaman din na parang fatigue, alam niyo yun, like overtired. So, yeah, yun yung naramdaman ko, guys. But now, ngayon, okay naman yung pakiramdam ko. Pinainom lang ako ni Daddy Mike kaninang madaling araw ng Panadol kasi I felt like sumakit din yung mga kasukasuan ko ba. Hi, tita and tito. Hello, tita and tito. So, I'm hoping na I won't feel that again. Kasi last night, parang iba talaga yung pakiramdam ko. And I'm hoping na, you know, yun lang yun. Like, hindi na siya babalik at wala na tayong maramdaman ng mga side effect na ganyan. Kasi kay Daddy Matt naman, did you have any side effect, Daddy, when
Wala.
you had yours?
Wala.
He didn't have anything.
No. Wala.
Wala daw, wala.
Wala ako.
But yeah, but I'm glad I had the first dose now and hintayin ko na lang yung second dose.
Are you excited for the
And
second?
yeah. Nak, no? Nak, did you have the vaccine last night? Yesterday?
Yes.
Yes, you did. You did the vaccine for mommy? Palangga nga bata. Ikaw. Yeah. Sa mga dyan guys, sa mga nagpa-vaccine na at Pfizer yung sa inyo, let me know kung ano yung mga side effect na naramdaman nyo. Kung the same ba, kasi nabasa ko online at sa mga brochures, yung mga papel-papel, wala naman yung ganun na side effect. Yung sinasabi lang naman ay headache, obviously yung pain dito sa tinurukan, and ano pa ba yun? Basta wala doon yung parang madizzy ka ba? Wala doon. So maybe, sabi ko nga sa sarili ko, maybe ano lang. Maybe kasi wala lang talaga akong magandang tulog.
Talaga.
Kasi wala man dun sa listahan, but it doesn't mean na wala sa listahan na hindi side effect, di ba? So iba-iba naman tayo, so iba-iba yung katawan natin. So maybe iba-iba din yung mga naging side effect. But ngayon ay okay naman si Mommy, guys. Okay na naman yung pakiramdam ko. Ito siya, we will take her for a walk. Kasi maganda yung araw sa labas. And later this afternoon, uulan yata siya. Kaya we'll take the advantage. Knock, knock. Shh, 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 shh. Celine Ray, I'm talking to you. Naglalaro kasi yung daddy niya ng basketball sa TV.
Maglaro
Hello!
ako ng basketball.
What are you doing, daddy?
Maglaro ng basketball.
Hello! You're gonna go on the carrier or the pram? Carrier or the pram? Palangga sa mama. Which one do you want now? Carrier or the pram? Hello?
Kasi man po.
Hello? Hi. Where are you going? Going to the shops? You going for a walk? Dee-dee-dee.
A few moments later.
You haven't been away from the Dolphins yet?
No, you do your half, do you?
Yeah, I've got half. Hold on.
Yeah.
So now I'm late, so.
I have my iced chocolate. Daddy Mike's got his latte. And the little one is sound asleep.
Cold.
And bumili si Daddy Mike ng meat from the butcher. And we'll just go to the fruit and veg. Then, ano bang bibilhin ko eh? Gusto kong bumili ng bun. Mostly mga shops dito ay closed talaga, guys, because lockdown, diba? So the pharmacy is open, the bakery is open, the optometrist is closed. They have been, they're open. I thought they're closed, Bob. They're already opening. This one, are they open? Open?
Some of the shops are opening, but you can't go in.
The lights are on. I'm surprised kasi every time pupunta kami dito, they're closed. Kasi nga lockdown, so.
I've never gone in yet.
We've got these reflections clothing. That's closed for sure. Yung mga damit-damit lang, they are closed. The dry cleaning place, yes, they're open. The, fruit and vegetables, they're open. And then yung Vietnamese, ha? Yung Vietnamese na binibilhan ko ng banh mi dyan.
See, this. If they got Kensington, I'm going to Kensington.
Yeah. See, Kensington. Pride. Pride. Ayan. I had that one last time, guys. Tapos nagkaano ako. Tawag dito nga, luas ba? Mouth ulcer.
A few moments later.
Dito na kami sa labas ng school ni Ate Paris. Tingnan nyo. Hala, ang pangit ng angle ng ganyan. Laki ng ulo, tingnan. Andiyan na. Andiyan na ang ating Ate Paris. Yan yung mukha, oh. Naka-smile na. Ang layo pa. Hi, Nak.
Hi.
How are you? How are you, beautiful girl?
Hi, I've been here for a long time.
What did you say?
Okay, I got broken.
How'd you do that?
I fell over.
You did okay?
Yeah.
Did you cry? You did it? Good. Are you strong?
What did you say, Anak?
I just have my boo-boo in my hand.
Oh no.
And my other two boo-boos.
She fell over.
Do we need to go to the doctors?
You have to get a needle?
No.
You told me next time you fall over, you'll get a needle.
No, I don't want them.
Okay. Oh, did you say hi to baby Celine?
Hey, baby Celine.
I love you.
I don't really want to go to the doctor. I'm
Thank you.
scared of the needle.
Did you say hi baby Celine, anak?
She did. She said, hi, baby son.
Alright, we're going now. Oh, we have something. Hey, what's this? Daddy, open this.
Did you get another prize?
Ay, pangalungat na.
You okay? You picking for gold? You digging for gold or?
Ring, are you ringing someone? Dayaw.
I'm putting on my
Yuck, and then she'll eat it using the... Wipe your hands first, naka.
Not on the chair?
Your shirt.
No, not on the chair either. It's a nice one. Did you go to Thing Baby today?
No, I didn't go to the toilet.
Alright, I'm going now.
Did you, what did you eat today?
Cake. Maybe.
Cake.
What else?
Fruit.
Fruit? What fruit?
Time check. Time check na. Time check. It's 11 ng gabi. Ngayon lang kami nakapag-vlog ulit, guys. Alam niyo, maaga kami natulog ba? Tapos nagising kami ngayon. Kasi nagdede siya. Knock. Ayan, dito kami sa lunchroom kasi alam niyo. Yung tata niya is so working. Yan, hanggang midnight pa yan tatay niya. Hang on, so you can see your face. Hi, Nana. I got milk all over you. I got milk all over you. Ayan siya, oh. Nilagay ko sa kanyang ang tawag dito bouncer. Bouncer. Sure, ang lawas na ni bouncer. Buyag. You know what, guys? Today pala, she is 2 months old. Na? How old are you, anak? Kaya bukas, maaga pa kami kasi meron kaming appointment sa kanyang maternal and child health nurse. Anak? Very quiet ang baby, oy. Very quiet. Can you see yourself? Can you see yourself? Tingnan nyo, guys. O, hindi pa ako nakabihis na pangtulog ba. Pero natulog na kami kasi alam nyo, kanina na-feel ko na naman yun. Ewan ko. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, kumain ka nga, baka malnourish na daw ako ba. Kasi, di ba na-mention ko sa inyo na kagabi, yung parang na-feel ko na feeling disorientated. Tapos, sabi ko, wala naman yun sa wala naman sa listahan ng side effect yun. So, maybe guni-guni ko lang. But you know what, sabi ni Daddy Mike, yung kanyang boss din daw, kasi nag-usap sila kanina, sabi niya, ganun din daw siya. So, maybe yun, isa din yun talaga siya sa side effect ng vaccine. So, kanina, na-feel ko na naman, ewan ko Kaya, dinala ko ng maaga si Baby Celine. Hala, nakapupo. Dinala ko ng maaga si Baby Celine sa bed. Pagdating sa bed, guys, tulog talaga ako. Mabuti naman ito siya. No? Tsaka nagumising pag na. Daytime na. Kaya nakatulog si mami niyo. I feel okay naman. I feel okay. But yeah. So maybe yeah, sa inyo dyan, let me know kung na-feel nyo rin. Si Ate Paris natin ay tulog na rin pala, guys. Dinala siya ni Daddy Mark doon sa kwarto mga 9 o'clock siguro yun. Because I can remember a little bit, ha. Parang kinausap niya ako, pero tulog na tulog si mami niya. Natulog na rin siya. Hi. Hi. Maganda pakiramdam niya, no? Kasi naka-popo. So now, I'm just gonna change her nappy, change her clothes, and then si mama din ay mag-base din, no? Kasi naka-dress-dress pa si mama niya. Tapos, yan, matutulog na kami ulit, guys. Tulog na kami ulit. So, i-end na natin yung vlog dito. Thank you for watching today's video. And you know what? Sa-shoutout tayo. It's been a while na nakapag-shoutout tayo, guys, kasi minsan, hindi ko na talaga na-end yung vlog natin. Kasi, alam niyo na may bulilit na maliit. Kaya ngayon, habang relaxing siya. Oh, bless you, anak. Mag-shoutout tayo. Shout out. Pero, yeah, salamat sa inyong lahat kaysa hindi ko kayo maisa-isa. Pero, salamat talaga. Kasi, andyan kayo palaging nanonood ng videos namin. So, ito siya. Mababasa ko lang dito, guys. So, shout out to Katya Hilawlaw. Shout out to LV Estolonio. Fe Guarnes, Calvin Borinaga, Simply Read, Rosemary Verzon, Carlota Icaro Pedro, Efigenia Zarate, Morfeli Guevara, Kim, Cecil Regalado, Morena Dosil, Viuli S, Joanne Owano, Charity Tamayo, Alex Mia Rams, Naida Trofil, Elizabeth Donila, Digna Villavicencio, Maricar Castañeda, Evelyn Buena, Alena Resoles, and Lolita Lacuesta. Ayan. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up na. Ay, di pala si Ate Paris to. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be careful. Bye.